Warning, do not try this at home unless under adult supervision or in a lab setting.
Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Science rules.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Inertia is a property of matter. T minus 7 seconds.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Hey guys, welcome to the Bill Nye Show. Today, I'm not Bill Nye, I'm actually Greg. Bill Nye is sick today. But we're going to be doing the separation lab with my friend Ethan and Tyler and Toby, who's holding the camera right now. So these are the materials for the separation lab. We have our crucible.
We have our lighter,
material rod,
A wire mesh.
mixture of sodium bicarbonate and sodium
Crucible tongs.
weighing paper,
the Bunsen burner.
and a scale,
And a ring stand.
and a lighter.
Bro, I already introduced the lighter.
Whatever, who cares?
So Tyler, can you explain to us what we're doing in this lab?
Well, Greg, the purpose of this experiment is to determine how many grams of sodium bicarbonate and sodium carbonate are going to be used in this experiment. And we can predict that using this reaction equation, where 2 moles of solid sodium bicarbonate would decompose into a mole of solid sodium carbonate, as well as carbon dioxide gas and water vapor. Now the initial mass will be greater than that of the final mass because you're taking 2 moles of sodium bicarbonate and decomposing it into 1 mole of sodium carbonate. And to find the mass difference, you can just use the stoichiometry equation and it should work out.
Alright, so let's get this lab started. First we're going to take the crucible and place it on the balance. Then we're going to zero the mass. And now the next step is to acquire 4 grams or a mixture. So while I'm acquiring this mixture, Toby will explain the safety.
Okay, so if you've been a watcher for any amount of time on this show, you would know this is vastly different from any other experiment we've done before, because we are literally, in fact, playing with fire. So, how to avoid injury in this experiment is to, avoid direct contact with anything that's in direct contact or close proximity to the flame itself. Such items would include the ring stand, the Bunsen burner base and the tube, the tongs, and the crucible. Okay, now we got all the safety out of the way. Let me teach you how to light an actual Bunsen burner. Okay, so what you're going to do is move the pilot light above the vent of the Bunsen burner itself, while slowly putting your hand on the gas nozzle. So you're going to slowly light the pilot light, like so. Okay, there we go. Then we're going to slowly release the gas flow. Oh. This may be a bit unsuccessful for your first few times, so make sure you can actually do it. And be patient. Sorry. Okay, so now that we've actually started our Bunsen burner, we're now going to adjust the luminosity of the flame. So how we're going to do that is going to adjust the air vent that's located at the bottom of the Bunsen burner's base. So as we slowly adjust the air vent right here, like so, it should slowly turn into a non-luminous flame, or more closely resembling a jet engine.
So now the next step would be to safely add our wire mesh above the flame. And now we're going to add our crucible with the mixture inside it, and we're going to place it on top of the wire mesh. And also using your crucible tongs, place the lid on top of the crucible, but leave a gap for the gases to escape.
Well, since this process takes around approximately 4 to 5 minutes, this is going to take some time. So while we're waiting, let's hear a word from our sponsors.
Hey you! Are you constantly worried about your grade after getting that thermochemistry test an F? Are you constantly getting the concepts wrong that Mrs. Goto teaches you in class? Well, I recommend you Super Go Boost, your all-in-one super drink. This drink contains all the necessary things you need to stay awake and get that A. How it works. Contains up to 90% 1-3 propanediol, which is a very polar liquid, and your brain is polar because it's made up of 70% water. Polar and polar dissolves, and your brain gets bigger as your brain absorbs all of that juicy 1-3 propanediol, and ultimately will get you that A. Warning, it contains 90% glycerin and 10% caffeine.
Hey, what's up, campers? Are you failing your science class? Have you hit rock bottom? Well, here's what you need: the carrier. I get tutoring when you could get this bag to carry you out of your despair and troubles. Don't take it from me, but here's a satisfied customer.
Yeah, it took me from an F to a C, so it technically carried me. Thanks, carrier.
So what are you waiting for? Order your carrier now. Call 1-800-911-1211 and buy this bag just for $5. Okay, so the time has come for us to remove the crucible lid. I'm going to place it on the table gently. Now I'm going to take the crucible and then we're going to place it on the balance.
And I'm going to take the gas off.
Oh, so come look at this, the mass. See how at the start it was at 4 grams? Now it's at 3.30. So there has been an obvious decrease in the mass.
Indicating that there was a decomposition reaction as we described previously.
So using the data that we have accumulated, we can use stoichiometry to determine the mass, and use the mass to determine mass percent.
Well, this concludes our video, and I hope that this is more entertaining than Bill Nye himself.